Hello everyone, this is Karen with the Bain Group. In this video, we're going to learn how to send and collect responses in Microsoft Forms. Here are the topics we're going to be covering. Who can you collect responses from, and how can you share it? Here I have on my screen is my Microsoft Forms application open on my desktop. Let's go ahead and navigate to a form that we want to start sharing and start collecting a response to. So I have my employee health and travel declaration form that we can start utilizing. So once I open up the form, let's navigate to the top right corner and select on the share button. Once you select it, a right panel will appear, and here you can choose who to send and collect responses from. We have 3 options to choose from when we open the drop-down list. We have anyone can respond, which meaning anyone inside or outside of your organization can submit responses to your form. We have only people in my organization who can respond to this. And then last, we have specific people in my organization who can respond to this form. When you select on that option, a field below it's going to ask you to enter a name, group, or email address. So let's go ahead and start adding name to our list so only specific people in my organization can respond. Awesome. So once I've added that in, you can see the list of people that I've included. Once you have narrowed down who you want to share your form to, the next step is sharing your form. And beneath that, we have several options. We have the first one, which is a link. We can either copy and paste this link and share it through our team member in Teams, or copy and pasting it onto a website. We even have the option to shorten the URL for ease of use when looking at the link. Another option that we have is a QR code. We have a download button here, and when we select on that, it'll save this QR code to the right as a PNG file. So we can attach this QR code and add it anywhere that we would like to. The next one that we have is the option to embed. So as with any embed code, we have the option to apply this onto a SharePoint site or any other website that accepts embedding. And then last but not least, we have the option to email the form. Now when selecting on this button, it's going to automatically open up my Outlook. Here we have predefined subject line asking for the user to please fill out this form along with the link. As you can also see here, since earlier I specified that I want only specific people in my organization to respond, we have a BCC line that includes the user that I entered the name for. So this is great when you already know a list of users who you want to send this form to. By selecting the email button, it'll automatically add in all those names. All right, and then once you start sending and sharing your form, you can go back to the form and click on the response tab to be able to see a list of users who have responded to your form. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and trick video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified, and we'll see you next time.